Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you to the re-store. This is same like a thrift store or value village, something like that. So this is, I think, the second time I'm this store. I'm just looking for a furniture which I can use in my entryway, like the sideboard. So I find this cabinet. It's $100 for that big cabinet. I think it's a really good price, so it could be a good storage cabinet. And then I find this dining table. It was, I think, 175 for that much pieces. I think it's a steal price, so you can refinish it. So because today is I'm just looking for a sideboard which I couldn't find here, which I'm looking for. But I just browsing, they have a tons of office table from $50 to $100 or $75. Look at the size. I think it's pretty good. It was just $15, a really good price. So if you're looking to refinish your office or you want to furniture for your basement, I really like this table but not the finish. So you can refinish it, and I think it can open into the bigger one because it's have a leaf in there hidden. And this was a sideboard I like, but I'm not looking into the drawer one. It's pretty vintage. Uh, if you like these kind of videos, so consider to do subscribe. Sometimes I do just the browsing. They have a tons of new machines, and the price was actually pretty much same like you can find in the big stores, like this gas stove, like $1,150. So pretty good price. But I was just looking sofa, and I'm looking the sectional, but they have no sectional today. But just looking how much is the price for the sofas. Some is pretty vintage, like pretty old, so I'm not looking for that one. But they have a really nice selection for the tables, like this $20 for the side table. You can refinish it in any color. And these office chair, these was $20. And these purple one was just a $5 per chair. Very good price, I think. If somebody is finishing their office space, this rocker catch my eye. I really like this rocker because it looks like a vintage. Maybe I can refinish it, but right now, honestly, I don't have any space in my room for any new furniture except that sideboard which I'm looking for. And then I saw they have a blinds for $50, and the rods, curtain rods. So tons of selection in that one, from $20 to $30. This chair was actually really nice, $25 per piece, and it was 4 chairs, so $100 for the 4 chairs. So if you're looking to refinish your basement or your kid room, I think this is the place you can go. And you can check this space, look what you find. And every time I go, you know, there is always new thing. This is $5 peel and stick wallpaper. Actually, this is a steal price. Usually it's like a $40, but because they don't have that much rolls. And the lights have a nice selection, but the same thing, like almost the same price as the biggest store. So but the cabinets have a really nice price. This was a $20 for the base cabinet, which is so good. So looking for the built up kitchen in the basement or the rental property, this $350 for 9 pieces, really good. So keep watching for more updates. I'm gonna share you new video. Bye bye.